Hello guys, I'm Amanda Russell, and today I want to show you one of my newest favorite things to do. I always start with a really great morning routine, even if it's just 2-3 minutes long. And recently, you might be wondering why I'm wearing these. I've gotten into wearing these weighted gloves. You can get them on the link below. They're from our site, Valeo Fit. But I have changed up my morning routine because, like anything, it gets old and you want to mix it up. And I'm telling you, even if I do nothing else that day, this routine sets my day off right. They say the way you start your day sets the pace, that sets the course for how your day is going to go. It also boosts your metabolism, it gets your heart rate up, and it gets you sweating right away. You're ready to conquer the day. So literally, this is it. And you can add on to it, but this is what, and also if you're wondering what do you do with weighted gloves, these are great because they add toning capacity, they add a little bit more weight and cardio endurance. So you're gonna get a little more from everything you're doing. So I literally start and I get up and I literally get out of bed and I look out the window and I just punch. So feet a little wider than shoulder width apart, and I just like this. That's it. This is not boxing science. This is just me trying to move my torso, my body, and then I go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right away, jumping jacks. With the gloves on makes it a lot harder. That's it. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to it, and I go kick, 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 and it doesn't matter how high you kick. It's wherever's high for you, whatever's a challenge. That's it. 3, 2, 1. And then I'll hold it up here and just pulse kick. That's it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I go for 30. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And get that on the other side, right? What comes up must go down. What you do one side must do on the other side. 3, 4, 5. See how we're not just back and forth here? We're lateral, we're side to side, we're up and down. It's a great way to start your day. 3, or maybe midday, you've been sitting all day, give yourself some energy. Get up off your desk chair, get out, do it now in front of your computer. You're sitting in front of your computer just watching. Get up and do this with me. You can do this in your cubicle at work while your child is sleeping, watching TV. Come on, you've got this. Let's go, 2 more sets of 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your balance maybe. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. And then I finish, I punch it out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side and side. And hold that core tight. And almost like you're hugging a tree, but you're kind of punch hugging that tree, right? It looks funny, it feels even funnier, and we've got it, but it's a great movement. Hold that core in. Let's do 4 more. 3, 2, 1, and then punch up. See, you don't need to be a boxer. They're probably criticizing my form, and that's okay because I'm doing this to move my body. And last 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How's that for a little morning hustle or a midday hustle or a pre-dinner hustle? Gets your energy flowing. I'm telling you, these gloves, they make you feel powerful and strong too. So comment below. I want to see what you guys want to see more of. Make sure to check out all of the great things we have going on at the Valeo Fit community, events, community, recipes, healthy living hacks, tips, and a new workout every week. So I'll see you guys back here next time. I'm Amanda Russell. Thanks for joining me.